In this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what you want to do is first have a clip, so with some motion in your timeline. For example, I have this guy running over here. And then you want to go inside your effects tab down here and type in echo. And once you find echo, which you can locate under video effects and then time, you want to drag it onto your video clip. And then as you can see, it changes a bit and you want to click on it. On the video clip you just applied the filter to, and then you want to go to effect controls up here, scroll down and look for echo. There you go. And then you want to change the echo operator from add to screen. There we go. Once you've done this, you've already applied a motion blur to your video. What you want to then do is, in my opinion, it's very good if you change the echo time to a positive number. So it's minus 0.033, and I actually prefer it to be at around, let's say, 0.065 or somewhere around there. You can play around because every millisecond can make a whole bunch of a difference, okay? So depending on your clip, you can play around and see what works the best for you. As you can see, this doesn't look that good, but of course, if I were to make it a bit lower, so the echo time a bit, if I would change this, it would look much better, okay? So you can play around with it, play around with the settings, and see how it looks for you. Each and every single clip is different, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope this video helped you out.